Thank you for joining me for this meditation. Today, we will be setting our intentions on manifesting a more enlightened Earth, a more harmonious expression of global humanity, and a universe which supports the greatest and highest good of all beings. And so, let us find comfortable positions, seated with our spines straight and our sit bones planted firmly on the seat below us. Really lengthen your spine, leaving your head balanced gently atop, tucking your chin ever so lightly. Roll your shoulders down and back, opening your chest wide, and lift your heart space. If you haven't already, allow your eyes to drift closed. Feel the muscles in your head and face. Allow them to loosen, relaxing any tightness you find. Let your tongue rest slack at the bottom of your mouth. And feel this relaxation of your muscles move downward. Scan your shoulders, chest, and back, seeking any tensions and allowing them to loosen and relax, ensuring you keep your chest wide open. Let this wave of relaxation drift down into your belly, your arms, and your lower back. Feel your lower body now, your hips, legs, knees, ankles, and feet. Locate any rigidity and let it go. Let it all go. Allow your entire body to relax. Now, let's bring our focus onto the rhythms of our breath. On your next inhalation, take a deep breath in, filling yourself all the way up, and hold. Squeeze in the muscles of your stomach. Squeeze in the muscles of your back. Feel the energy coursing up your spine. And release with a sigh. Let's do one more breath like this. Inhaling fully, completely, filling your lungs. And hold. Squeeze in all the muscles around your spine. Feel the energy coursing upwards. Hold just a little longer. And release. Wonderful. Now, allow your breath to fall back into a light and natural rhythm. Simply witness the breath, making no effort to control it. Feel yourself getting lost in the gaps between breaths. Allow yourself to be carried away by its gentle rhythms. Let yourself flow and allow yourself to float away. To achieve our intentions of manifesting a more coherent universe and a more enlightened humanity, we must first start by creating this harmony and enlightenment in our own selves. So please, raise a hand to your heart and allow yourself to feel its steady beat. Feel the energy flowing through you, your heart's energy, and realize that within this energy is our power to not only enrich our own lives, but all of mankind in the entire conscious universe. By allowing ourselves to be more in tune with the truth of our hearts, we empower ourselves to live in harmony with our own highest expression. And so, I want you to imagine a beautiful and infinite universe in which your heart is the centermost point. Imagine this enormous universe stretching out in all directions. Imagine it filled with points of white light. And imagine this life force energy, this prana, being drawn in. Feel the abundant energy of the universe pouring into you through your crown, through your root, through all of your body's subtle meridians, and feel it filling up your heart. Feel that energy surge through you. Feel it empower you. And let yourself go into that feeling. Let your mind and your body fall away. Swim here in these comforting waters of universal energy. Now, allow your hand to fall back onto your lap. Face your palms upward in a state of receiving. Having empowered ourselves, having empowered our hearts, let us now connect our energies together. Feel the collective of individuals around the planet who are treading this same path towards enlightenment. Know that we are never alone, even if it sometimes feels that way. Realize that there are hundreds of thousands of people around the planet who are right where you are, taking the same bold strides towards empowering humankind to step into an age of enlightenment. and consciously choose to connect your energy with theirs. Together, our energies and intentions create a web of subtle connection and accelerate the awakening of humankind. Together, we can change the world for the better. And so, knowing all of this, let us imagine ourselves standing side by side, hand in hand, with our brothers and sisters, our families and friends, all of our companions of consciousness, and see us creating a field of energy that encompasses the planet. Let yourself dissolve into the warmth of this companionship. Let yourself float away, knowing that our intentions are strong and that together we are enough. Having connected with our hearts and each other, let us now bring our focus onto the planet as a whole. Let us hold the intention of enlightening all individuals, all of our human family, and beyond that, every living being on this beautiful planet Earth. Know that everyone and everything is connected, and consciously choose to use those connections to empower our world into an age of enlightenment. Know that we all deserve forgiveness. We all deserve understanding. And let that truth shine through you to empower the collective. Finally, let us now ask for help from on high. knowing there are beings beyond our understanding who share our intentions for the enlightenment and harmonization of our universe. Humbly and with gratitude, we ask them to join us as we meditate together with the powers of our consciousness combined for the betterment and enlightenment of the entire living universe. As we prepare to return to our bodies, let us set the intention of taking these truths we've uncovered together, taking the universal energy we've harnessed together, and carrying it with us throughout our days, weeks, months, and years. Choose right now to become the truth of your own heart and to embody that throughout your life, knowing that by doing so, you are uplifting and awakening all those you come into contact with. Now, let us return to our bodies. Notice they're right where we left them. Allow yourself to sense the space around you. Take a big, deep breath in. A restorative breath out. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. Namaste.